Okay, today on Geek Advisor, I'm going to show you how to shut down your computer through command prompt. Let's go down here to the search. Let's type in CMD. Let's go over here and left click on command prompt. And let's type in shutdown. If we go up here and we look, these are all the different switches or arguments you can use with the shutdown command. The three that we're going to use are the S, the F, and the T. So let's go down here and we'll type in shutdown space slash S space slash F space slash T space 0. Now if we don't use the T command, what's going to happen is the computer is going to wait a little while after the F command. So without the T command, it's going to wait like 60 seconds to shut down. But because we want it to do it right away, we're going to use the T command. I'm not going to go ahead and do this right now, otherwise it'll shut off the recording. But that's basically how you shut down the computer at the command prompt. Real easy. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.